A roof truss is a pre-engineered triangular framework designed to support the weight of your roof. It's an essential component in modern construction, offering strength, efficiency, and versatility. Every roof truss has three main components: the top cord, which supports the roof sheathing, the bottom cord, which acts as a ceiling joist, and the webs, which are the diagonal or vertical pieces that connect the top and bottom cords, giving the truss its overall strength. These parts are secured together using joints and plates, such as metal connector plates or gussets. In some cases, wide crown staples are also used to reinforce the connections and hold everything in place. There are many types of roof trusses, each serving a specific purpose. The common truss is your standard triangle shape, which is perfect for most roofs. The scissor truss creates vaulted ceilings. The attic truss adds storage or living space within the roof. The gable truss supports the ends of a roof, and the hip truss is ideal for roofs with slopes on all sides. Why use roof trusses? They distribute weight efficiently, resist heavy loads, and are cost-effective. Trusses are factory-made, reducing material waste and saving time during installation. Plus, they're versatile enough for almost any roof design. Compared to traditional rafters, which require on-site cutting and assembly, trusses save in labor and materials, making them the preferred choice for most modern construction projects. Roof trusses are most commonly made of wood for residential projects, but steel trusses are often used for commercial buildings or large spans because of their superior strength. Trusses are engineered to handle specific roof loads and spans. They're designed off-site and delivered ready to install, using a crane or lifted up by hand, depending on the project size and complexity. Trusses are carefully designed so altering or cutting them on-site can compromise their strength. Always consult an engineer if adjustments are needed. That's it for this quick look at roof trusses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear and concise construction tidbits.